So we're out here by Victor, which the old mining area. They have like a trailhead and you can see some of the remains of homes and mine buildings and structures and stuff like this that were part of probably the head frame. Big gear, cable, lower you on down. Go look in the building. Ty, no. Call him, please. Yep, be careful with your doggies because there's holes in the floor. Well, seeing as somebody else opened it, we will take a peek through. Look at this, still has the hardwood floor. That's pretty cool. Here's the logs, if you can see. That's cool. Looks like purple color. This is really low roof here. This is where you have to be careful. Old electrical. Oh, hey, the wallpaper. Look at that. That's cool. It's a pretty confusing building, really. Oh, look at that. Old linoleum. Closet. And there's a lot of rooms actually in here. It's actually surprising. It looked like this floor was brick, but it had something covering it. Oh, it's the bathroom or the toilet. Look at this wallpaper here. You can see the different layers. Looks like they painted it green at one time. Cloth that probably helped insulate. Hole right there. So probably at one point there was a stove here and probably expanded on. Wow, it's amazing. They just kind of kept expanding and expanding these places. Probably was another little bedroom with a closet. Had a light in there probably. Had the old cabling. I don't know if you can read that. This was a private area for the girls. Or a laundry. So somebody wrote notes here. Because I saw that over here. I thought it was graffiti. But maybe somebody went through and marked what all this was. Maybe historically they know. So that's kind of cool. If you do come in one of these, be careful. That's why they put it off, just because, you know, tourists are dumb and liability. So it's actually bigger than it seems. Now I don't know where my wife, wow, she's over there. So this is the outside. I'll probably come back and do better videos of these structures. find the opening for that path. The bunker looking building, those are usually dynamite storage. So if it blows, it's not a big deal. Or I should say as big of a deal. It's always a big deal. And this is the big head frame. Got the big mine building there. Go catch up to my wife. There's stuff down this way. So. The Lilly CC Gold Mining Company. Continue on down this way. So this is the powder magazine. Like I said, they kept the explosives. You can tell this one was brick and rock, where the other one is cement. See that great view. And then the new mine over there. They just strip mine nowadays, sadly. Consolidated Gold Mining Company. Wow guys, I don't know if you can see that in the video because it's pretty far away, but way over there, there's a big excavator digging. Woohoo, where is it? There it is. And then there's the dump trucks running on the road. Look at this head frame. Victor, Colorado. You can see the big wheels that would lower you down. And by the size of this, it was probably pretty deep. Vindicator Mine Surface Plant. This is what it would have looked like. I'm trying to not get myself in the shadow in the video. Go over here, you can see all those other head frames, I guess they would be. Sorry, I don't know mining terminology that well. But you can see all the other piles of tailings and stuff. I mean, this whole area would have been littered. There's one up on the hill over there. I don't even see the structures up there, so I don't even know if they're still there, unless it's further that way. When I moved out here, none of this. They were only just starting to dump and it was really low. And that was back in 2007. District drainage.